Hello and welcome back. So as you might have seen, I ripped apart the entire dash and everything because I wanted to get behind all that to see what the wiring harness was like behind there. In doing that, I've also reconditioned all of the panels and everything and cleaned everything up. It's looking very nice now. It actually came up a lot better than I thought. But what we're going to do today is basically one of the simplest mods you can possibly do to an Evo or any car, and it's this. I know cabin filter is probably not considered a modification, but in an Evo 7, a JDM model, I beg to differ, and this is why. Even though they run the same heater core as an Evo 8, an Evo 9, a standard Lancer, they don't put a slot in there for a cabin filter, even though that's the slot. It's got the screw holes, it's got the little nubbin that it sits on, it's all ready to go. They leave it empty and you can actually see the top of the fan. I've seen a lot of people online say they come with a cabin filter from the factory. Never seen one come from factory, especially not in a sealed unit. I mean, how disgusting would that be? So we're going to modify this. I'll show you how to do it. It's very easy, really. All you have to do is cut along the line. I would suggest a hot knife. Guess what I don't have? I'm going to go and get a Stanley trimmer. I only have a small Stanley trimmer. I can do this better. Call me lazy, call me whatever, but I'm doing it. Oops. Ten out of 10, would not recommend. Just an air duster. Well, it seems you don't have to be that accurate with the cuts, because that seals up very nicely if you get a Ryco one. I need some screws. It's not a hard mod, but at least it works. Not a long video. It's very simple. Do suggest doing it if you have an old Evo. Even if you have an 8 or a 9, I would suggest still doing it, because if you haven't done it, they get really disgusting, those cabin filters. Any car, really. It's often something that's very much overlooked. But hey, if you're still here and there's other small mods that you like doing that you think should be actually shouted out, drop them in the comments below and we'll have a talk about them. I'm going to pack up, probably go to bed, it's getting late. Thanks for stopping by, and I will see you next time when I don't know what's coming next. We'll see what happens. Bye.